In the remodel, the client was looking to achieve a very much more modern, contemporary look to the space. The original house had a lot of traditional details, so they were looking to have a clean line, comfortable space that represented more of who they were. The previous design of the home was darker wood floors and glazed cabinetry that had a lot of detail and a lot of traditional aspects. So the remodel, we wanted to just freshen everything up, very clean lines, light, airy, and bright colors, and just very simple, elegant look to the whole space. The Dura Supreme Bria frameless line is one of my favorite lines to use because they have tighter reveals, so the doors are closer together, and it gives a very clean line, contemporary look overall. The finishes, maple cashew is one of my favorite colors to use because it's a very natural, organic look. I also love to use their onyx color that has a kind of a dark charcoal stain, so it's almost a black, but still lets those natural tones show through. And then some of their white colors are my favorite because they are not just the standard white, but they have warm tones, they have taupe tones. So it really helps to just brighten and freshen the space rather than just be that regular old shaker kitchen. Thin rail shaker has been in the industry for a couple years now, and we love it because it has a very modern look, but different from the shaker style that we've seen for so many years. And it does give a very elegant and upscale look to the overall rooms and overall space. So we really wanted to bring that feel of clean line contemporary into the space and have an easy to clean and elegant look to it. The focal point in this kitchen was the hood wall. We wanted to make sure that the range area had something that was different and beautiful. I love doing the quartz shelf and the full height quartz backsplash. It gives it an opportunity to not have to go full height with quartz, but also to end it at a great point where you can actually put little things like salt and pepper shakers and your olive oil on those spaces. The hood itself, we decided that we wanted to have an open space for sconces, so not cabinetry wall to wall, to create an open, airy feeling. We really wanted to make an impact with the hutch, so we decided to do contrasting cabinetry to match the island to give it a different feel than the rest of the kitchen. We integrated in a custom coffee maker built in, and then we added the glass doors with a metal frame in order to give it a fresh, impactful look. I love the opportunity to add cabinetry in other areas of the home besides the kitchen. In this family room, we were able to add bookcases and some additional storage below for a busy family of 5 to be able to hide things and have extra areas of storage. We're able to pick the stone on the fireplace to match the color tones of the countertops in the kitchen, and then also bring the base cabinets of the onyx black that we used on the stain color from the hood on the other side of the space. And then the bookcases are actually the same color as the kitchen cabinets, so we incorporated that all to flow throughout the home. We have a beautiful large kitchen upstairs, but the homeowner loves to entertain and would prefer to have all the messiness in another area. So we added a lower level kitchen in order to help with the entertaining aspect for their home. They decided to add just simple cabinetry, just enough that they needed for a kitchen, but also we incorporated integrated deco doors on all the appliances in order to have it as a seamless look throughout the space.